Solve x squared minus 5x minus 14 equals to 0. We're solving this quadratic equation using the completing the square method. And so in this case, the first thing to do is to rearrange such that the constant term is on the other side of the equation. The constant term here is minus 14. And then we take this to the other side. So this is x squared minus 5x. When minus 14 crosses to the right hand side, it becomes plus 14. The next thing is ensure that the coefficient of the quadratic term is plus 1. The quadratic term here is x squared, and that is 1x squared. So already the coefficient of the quadratic term is plus 1. This is plus 1x squared. And so you are good to go. If the coefficient of the quadratic term is not 1, then you divide through with the coefficient of the quadratic term. For instance, if this is 3x squared, then to make this 1, you divide through, you divide each of the equation, each of the term by whatever the coefficient is. But in this case, the coefficient is plus 1, so we move on to the next stage. The next step is, what must be done to the left-hand side to make it a perfect square? We would add something. And what we are adding is the square of half of the coefficient of the linear term. The square of half of the coefficient of the linear term. And so, the problem now is, what is the linear term? The linear term is minus 5x. So, to make this expression a perfect square, we add the square of half of the coefficient of the linear term. The linear term is minus 5x. The coefficient of x here is minus 5. Minus 5. So, we find the square of half of that. Half means you're dividing by 2. So, minus 5 over 2 all square. Minus 5 divided by 2 all square. And so, we are going to add this to both sides of the equation. So, we have this as x squared minus 5x plus what we had in minus 5 over 2 all square equals to 14. Plus, in brackets, minus 5 over 2 squared. So, at this point, we factorize the left-hand side, and then we simplify what we have on the right-hand side. To factorize this, you open a bracket, square it, pick the base here, x, pick the base here, minus 5 over 2, equals to, we are simplifying the right-hand side, so this is 14, plus minus 5 raised by 2, that will give us plus 25. 2 raised by 2, that is plus 4. And so we simplify this expression. This is now, we have this as x minus 5 over 2 squared. This is 14 over 1. The LCM of 14 and 1 is 4. So 14 divided by 1, that is, 4, the LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. 4 divided by 1, that's 4. Now, 4 times 14, that is 56. 4 divided by 4, that's 1. 1 times 25, that is 25. And so we have this as x minus 5 over 2 all square equals to 56 plus 25, 81 over 4. Okay? So at this point, we take out this square on this side. When you take out the square on one side of an equation, you find the square root of the other side. So we have x minus 5 over 2 equals to plus or minus. We take the square root of this, 81 over 4. And this would give us, the square root of 81 is 9. The square root of 4 is 2. So we are solving for x, remember that. So we say x equals to, when we take minus 5 over 2 to the right-hand side, it becomes plus 5 over 2. We have this as plus or minus 9 over 2. And so the value of x here becomes, we have x equals to, the LCM here is 2. So we have 2 into 1. 1 times 5, 5. plus or minus 2 into 1. 1 times 9, that is 9. So x equals to 5 plus 9 over 2, or 5 minus 9 over 2. And finally, we have the value of x to be equals to 5 plus 9, that is 14 over 2, or 5 minus 9, that is minus 4 over 2. X equals to 7, or the value of x is minus 2. And so we have solved this using the completing the square method. Completing the square method. All right, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any part of my video. Share this video, share this teaching with your friends, with your loved ones. Please click on the subscribe button and click on the like button. Drop your comments so that I understand what you want me to explain or teach on in the next class. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.